I screwed that up.
Train, trail, tram, trolley.
We're doing it in the order of trail.
Are you correct?
I better start over.
4.
Okay, what are we doing today?
The 4T trail.
We're gonna start out with the trail to the tram, trolley, train. So we're at the Oregon Zoo to begin our adventure. It's Friday,
For Ace Frehley.
October.
This is our
Ace Frehley
Frehley.
passed away yesterday. So we're
This
dedicating
is our homage.
today's trek to Ace from Kiss.
Okay, where are we going?
She wanted me to get a shot of the fall leaves here at the Oregon Zoo.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. We need to cross the highway. We're crossing Sunset Highway. Okay, we're still on track.
Good side. Moves.
We go down here and hang a right somewhere. So we're basically just on the off-ramp of the zoo. So we're not on like walking next to the Sunset Highway. And now we go into the woods. Here we go. Okay, we're like 28 minutes in. We come to this road and we go up to the chevron and hang a left without getting hit by cars, hopefully.
I've done that, Robin.
See that?
I don't want to do that again.
There's the mark. Okay, so we've been walking next to the road and now we're at this intersection. And we found another sign.
Look at the farm.
Ooh. Back in business. Markham Trail 4T. Here we go.
Tea.
Okay, we're 37 minutes in. It's raining. We got 0.4 miles to Council Crest, which in theory is the highest point in the Portland area, up here in the West Hills.
Not the highest point.
We're not there yet.
Yeah.
Okay, where are we now?
Council Crest.
Council Crest. There's a big Eiffel Tower looking thing.
The cell phone tower?
And in theory, if we look west, we could see Beaverton, but not today. What does this say? I think we're on the right track still. That's a big green tower. I don't know, it's full of water or what.
Have you had the mint chip one?
A low bar. Let's read this. This is the lovely view of River City, Portland, Oregon.
I don't see a river.
There's some blue sky right there. Not today.
Here, you can have the rest, because what if we end up eating lunch?
So we are here, so we still have some more hiking to do to get to the tram. Here we go. Okay, looks like we hang a right. Follow the yellow brick road. Okay, we're 58 minutes, not quite, into our hike. Those are some switchbacks from Council Crest down to this road. Oh, there's a guy coming up.
Oh.
Council Crest, Markham Trail. We go straight across the road. Here we go. There's a jogger.
Look, we said the sun would come out when we were in the tram. It's gonna happen.
Blue sky. We're at another road. Looks like we crossed the road. Is there a trail? Okay, there's the trail. There's some pretty cool houses back here. Upon second look at this giant tree that goes right through their both decks.
Well, I think they built the deck around the tree.
Yeah, sure. But that's crazy. Okay, we're coming upon another road. We're an hour and 19 minutes. What does this say? Take a right.
Look at a totem pole.
Is that it?
Yeah. Look, a totem pole.
Whoa. The totem pole.
Cool. Wait, is this the house?
Okay, the trail splits, so we gotta make sure we go the right way. We hang a right. Are we having fun? Are you replenishing your nutrition?
Yes.
Coconut milk kefir. Okay.
Or cottage cheese in a bottle.
Yeah. Tranquility reminds us that we are a small part of nature and a place where listening and looking inspire us. Are you inspired?
Yes.
This is
inspired. Look at, there's a slug.
We're at the Markham shelter, I think.
He even represented the slugs.
The slugs are well represented. All right, let's continue on.
Okay.
We're at 0.6 miles from OHSU where the tram is.
Yeah. Riding the tram.
Looks like some uphill. Work on those calf muscles. Okay. What's up? What's up there?
My former place of employment, OHSU.
OHSU up there through the forest.
Go, Robin. Let's go.
Okay. Remember, we don't go up these stairs. We follow these little green signs.
We're at the end of the trail.
We're getting close. OHSU parking lot.
But now it's time to meet him.
We're at the OHSU, looks like a college campus almost.
Well, it is a school too.
We're gonna go find the tram here pretty soon. OHSU, tram.
Watch your step, sir.
This is the viewing deck from the OHSU tram area. We're at the tram kiosk.
We just want one way, right?
Is there such thing as one way? This is so exciting. Did you bring your skis?
You didn't tell me to.
No.
And I'm actually gonna put you guys up.
Loading the tram. Phase 2.
There's a bunch of us. We'll all...
Like when I first started
We're moving.
getting into medicine, like I really thought about like the traditional part, like since the 80s, really since the creation of emergency medicine. The number of procedures that they do during their residency and then outside of residency.
Best Friends wasn't an integrated IR program.
Okay, we're doing a little sidebar trip. Where are we going?
To the ice facility on South Waterfront.
And we're gonna,
We're gonna look at the frogs.
we're spectators.
Just want to put that out there.
We're not protesting anything. We're on the trolley. This is all new stuff, new experience. We're on a detour of our little trip. We're going to the ice facility as seen on TV. We're here for the costume contest. There's some bunny rabbits over there.
Oh, it's nice and sunny though.
Just a nice day. What do you think so far?
I want to see the frogs.
Where are the frogs? All right, I think we're out of here. We got to continue our 4T trip. We're just tourists.
They have.
Oh, is that the story? We're back on the trolley to go to Pioneer Square.
Alright, I see a bunch of abandoned gear. I'm taking it off the street yard.
We got an incident. wake him up?
No. Hey, buddy. What? Hey, you're laying on the floor. I lived on Knob Hill for 50 years. Cool. We're on Knob Hill. Yeah, then we're going. I'm leaving. Okay, cool. I almost got lost on that. Well, you did, so we're good. Thank you.
I always say thank you.
All right.
All's well that ends well.
All right, there he goes.
They're good at de-escalation, those guys.
There goes our what's it called?
Our trolley?
Trolley. So we're walking to get on the Max train for the final T.
Final tea.
Final T. And maybe get something to eat somewhere. We got these free T-shirts that say,
Young and handsome and young.
yeah, handsome and young. Because we're special. XXX size. China size, but they said they run much smaller here in America. Okay.
Okay,
Our final T is train.
Max.
The Max train up to the zoo, and then that'll complete our 4T trip with bonus
5.
field trips on the side. Ooh yeah. We made it. That was the 4th T train.
Tired. We did it.
We did it. It took us 5.5 hours. We started at the Sunset Transit Center. She's yawning. She's so tired. The 4 T's.